So apparently, when there's a storm coming, everybody ties up their boat and gets it ready for the storm. Not Bobby and I. The wind's up, we're going sailing. Everything's better when you leave the dock. This is about a week before Hurricane Mathew came through. Winds were blowing 10 to 15, gusting to 20 out of the northwest. We had her heeled over. She was cruising. This boat handles this kind of weather perfect. Stable, great. Oh, I love Raggedy Ann.
Storm, we don't know what wind blew 14.5 shit, 15 miles, knots.
Oh shit, come on!
It's
Come
out
on!
of control. Wait a minute, we got her.
Don't worry, after we had our fun, we definitely got prepared for Hurricane Mathew. When we got back to the dock, we started taking off the sails. And then we get some help from the peanut gallery. After we took the sails off the boat, we proceeded to go to the yard and have a wide open space to fold it, to properly fold it. And here's the process for that. Here, this is a little better of a camera angle for you. And if you ever want to be the popular guy at your marina, you get a 600 feet of line and a paddleboard, and you start tying up lines to the poles that no one can reach. But you can, because you've got a paddleboard. And with all that line, make sure you've got a hot knife. And don't worry, Raggedy Ann and I, we survived Hurricane Mathew. A lot of rocking and rolling, but she was tied up right, and she was good to go. Thanks to the awesome help from all the guys at Bridgeton Harbor Marina.